Okay, first up, we gotta pay our respects to the masters, right? The Rijksmuseum is like the Louvre of Amsterdam, a treasure chest overflowing with Dutch masters. We're talking Rembrandt, Vermeer, you name it, they've got it. And the building itself? Stunning. It's this grand old palace, all ornate details and soaring ceilings. You could wander around in there for hours, just soaking it all in. Don't miss Rembrandt's The Night Watch. It's iconic. I could stare at that brushwork all day. This one's a little more somber, but so important. The Anne Frank House is more than just a museum. It's a powerful reminder of a dark chapter in history. Walking through the rooms where Anne and her family hid, seeing her actual diary, it sends chills down your spine. It's a heavy experience, but a necessary one. It really makes you appreciate the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of fighting for what's right. All right, time to brighten things up a bit with a visit to the Van Gogh Museum. Even if you don't think you know art, you know Van Gogh. His sunflowers, his starry nights, they're like a window into his soul. And this museum houses the largest collection of his work in the world. It's amazing to see how his style evolved over time, from his early, darker paintings to the vibrant masterpieces he's known for. Okay, we've been doing a lot of museums, so let's get some fresh air in Vondelpark. This is Amsterdam's Central Park, a sprawling green space right in the heart of the city. People picnicking, kids playing, musicians jamming. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the local vibe. Grab a stroopwafel from a street vendor, find a bench by the pond, and just watch the world go by. Now for a little neighborhood charm, let's head over to the Jordaan. This is one of Amsterdam's oldest and most picturesque neighborhoods, with narrow canals, cobblestone streets, and those adorable houses I was telling you about. It's packed with little boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. It's the perfect place to get lost for an afternoon and just wander around. And if you're lucky enough to be there on a Saturday, check out the Lindengracht Market. It's a foodie paradise. You can't come to Amsterdam without experiencing the canals, and the canal belt is the most iconic part of it all. These canals are like the veins of the city, and the best way to see them is by boat, of course. Just hop on a canal cruise and let the beauty of Amsterdam wash over you. You'll see houseboats, bridges, all those leaning houses. It's truly magical. And keep an eye out for the dancing houses. They're these crooked, narrow houses that look like they're about to tip over. Okay, folks, get ready for some incredible views. The Amsterdam Lookout is this observation deck perched high above the city, offering panoramic views of Amsterdam. You can see everything from up here. The canals, the churches, the harbor. It's breathtaking. And for the thrill seekers, they even have a giant swing that swings you out over the edge. I'll stick to the view, but hey, more power to ya. So there you have it, a little taste of Amsterdam. From the art and history to the canals and parks, this city has something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour as much as I did. And here's your bonus spot, the 9 Streets, a picturesque shopping and cafe district. This charming area is perfect for a leisurely stroll, browsing unique boutiques and enjoying delicious food and drinks. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite Amsterdam spot in the comments. And hey, if you have any other suggestions for my next culinary adventure, let me know. Until then, happy travels.